Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing some chrome stamping winter nails. Let's jump into it. Okay you guys, so this is the design that I'm going with. These are flash glitter polishes, and then two plain ones. I'm going to be doing the chrome stamping on these. Really simple design. The background colors I use is this one. It's called Gibberish from Young Nails. And then the flash glitter is from Daily Charme called Glass Slipper. The stamping plate I'm going to be using is this one from Clear Jelly Stampers, one of their smaller ones, CJS C59. And I'm just going to be using the bigger ones, the bigger like side ones on the nails. Just a super quick, simple design if you're struggling to know what to do. I'm using my sticky polish, the white one from Clear Jelly Stamper. I have a stamper here, and then my chrome color I'm using is silver. Just the silver. I got this one off Amazon. It was a set by Savvyland. And to do chrome stamping, you need a stamper that you don't care about anymore, because once you put the chrome on it, I take it off with acetone, and then your stamper is not really going to be usable anymore. I have a couple that I don't care about, so that's what I use for chrome stamping. And all you're going to do is take some chrome from your pot, put it on like an eyeshadow applicator, and then just rub it onto your stamper. You want to have this ready to go before you start stamping. So I got all my chrome on there. I'm going to set this chrome to the side in case I need to reapply, and then we'll just get into stamping. So the two images I'm going to use is this one down here and this one up here. They're side ones, so when you stamp, it'll just be on the full side of the nail. So I need to get my stamper and my scraper and everything ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm using the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper. I'm gonna start with this one down here. And then you're gonna take your chrome and dab it on. Just like so. Make sure you have a matte top coat over the top of your polish color so that chrome isn't gonna stick to your background color. And then I just have a dust brush set aside specifically for chrome stamping, and I try to just dust off the excess chrome if there's anything stuck. And that's what it looks like. I think it's super beautiful. Let's do the other one. That's not going to work because I have a big blotch right there. Let's redo it. Beautiful chrome stamped snowflake. This is just a super quick and easy design. I'm going to top coat these two, and then I'll show you what they look like when I come back. Alright y'all, this is the final look of these nails. Again, a super simple and quick design, super pretty. I really think they're pretty for the winter time. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!